Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I recently tried the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Gel Moisturizer, and I'm excited to share my detailed review. This bouncy and lightweight gel moisturizer claims to deliver a refreshing surge of hydration for balanced and soft skin, making it ideal for oily and combination skin. Here's my experience. The unique gel texture of this moisturizer is indeed bouncy and lightweight. It glides onto the skin effortlessly and gets absorbed quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. I appreciate how fast absorbing it is, making it suitable for both morning and evening use. The moisturizer lives up to its promise of providing a surge of hydration. After application, my skin feels balanced, soft, and refreshed. The non-greasy formula is a game-changer for those with oily or combination skin, as it moisturizes without weighing down the skin. Key ingredients: the inclusion of allantoin, plant-based squalane, and prickly pear is a winning combination. These ingredients contribute to the moisturizer's effectiveness in keeping the skin hydrated and plumped without the heaviness often associated with richer creams. One notable aspect is the absence of a strong fragrance. The product has a neutral scent, making it suitable for those who prefer skincare without overwhelming fragrances. The moisturizer comes in a compact 50 size, making it convenient for both home and travel use. The packaging is practical and aesthetically pleasing, with clear information about the product's key features and ingredients. Following the recommended usage instructions, I applied a small amount to my face and neck, gently patting until fully absorbed. I found that a little goes a long way, and the product spreads easily across the skin. I appreciate e.l.f.'s commitment to being cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with my values in choosing skincare products. The e.l.f. Holy Hydration Gel Moisturizer lives up to its claims. It's an excellent option for those with oily or combination skin looking for a lightweight, hydrating solution. The unique gel formula, coupled with quality ingredients, makes it a standout product in my skincare routine. I would highly recommend it to others seeking a non-greasy, fast-absorbing moisturizer that delivers on hydration and balance. And